Start.
Jainacharya Sri Ratnasundar Surisi Ji Maharaja has filed one petition in Rajya Sabha in matter of reviewing the meat export policy of this country, and 15th July is the last date because the Deputy Commissioner has invited people's representation, their views on this matter. We urge and request the viewers of this clip to spare their little time to know the economics of meat export and register their protest at earliest. 179 countries gathered before some time to discuss the environment issues, and they have given a very good statement. We can say that they said that if a Jan is to be protected, 4 J's are to be protected. That is Jal, Jameen, Jungle and Janavar. What India is earning? India is earning hardly rupees 13,000 crores of rupees by exporting the above meat, whereas we are earning rupees 14,000 crores of rupees from exporting basmati rice. Only diamond industry is earning 1,70,000 crores of rupees by exporting diamonds. If they increase their export by 10%, then also there is no need to export any meat. The per capita consumption of the world is 41.09 kilogram per annum, whereas India is the lowest consumer of this particular meat. We are only consuming 3.9 kg per annum, whereas in 2012 India has exported $3.29 billion meat by killing their 63 million cattle. The total export of the world is 281 million cattle. That means approximately 25% of the export is being done by India. See, we are the lowest consumer of meat, but we are the highest exporter of the meat. And see the impact on environment also. You need 15,000 liters of water to produce 1 kilogram of beef, and you need only 1500 liters of water to produce 1 kilogram of wheat. We request the viewers to put a thought on this particular issue and register that their protests on RSC numeric 2 PET @sansad.nic.in. I repeat, RSC 2 PET @sansad.nic.in. Thank you. Jai Hind. Jai Gau Mata.